All right, we are back and better than ever. We are continuing our discussion of geometric operations with vectors, and we're going to talk about geometric vector subtraction. The important thing to remember here, a lot of this it's very simple in the beginning of our study of vectors, um, and we go over it carefully because the simple things make the harder things a bit easier. So don't just blow this off. Do not blow this off. Just make sure that you have all of this solidified in your head, that you have the concept. To subtract one vector from another, we simply add its negative. A minus b is equal to a plus negative b. So for example, if I had this vector a, which I will draw, let's see, I need to go to here. Okay, so what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'll start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's vector A. How am I going to do on the arrowhead? Not bad. Okay. I'm going to show you A minus B here. Okay, vector A minus vector B. And that equals, as it says above, A plus negative B. Okay, so maybe I'll draw B just to show you what it's going to look like. B is, let's see, to the left 3 and up 2. Go back here. So I'll start there nicely, to the left 3 and up 2. Okay, and I will label that as vector B. And this is vector A. But I'm subtracting it, so I have to go in the opposite direction. So I'll change that to a different color just so we differentiate between it. And it's just in the exact opposite direction, so I'm going to go down to, oh, I didn't change the color, did I? Let me redo that. I thought I changed the color. There we go. Okay, so down to right 3. And there we go. Now that doesn't look like a perfect line, but build a bridge and get over it. So this is negative b. So vector A minus vector B is the resulting vector here. And we will introduce green to get our final option, or our final vector here, which will go from here to here, to this endpoint. And this is indeed the vector A minus B. So you just add the opposite to subtract vectors. No big whoop. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do R minus S. Okay, so R is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So I'll go here. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Oops, I didn't have my fancy line drawer. And minus S. Well, normally S would be over 1 and up 3. 1, 2, 3. But it's in the exact opposite direction, so it's going to be down 3 and to the left 1. So let's just label that real quick. This is R, this is R, and this is negative S. I didn't draw a positive S so I wouldn't confuse you. And so then the difference, R and S, is right there, R minus S. I keep forget to use my arrow tools. No big whoop. Okay, so now let's do S minus T minus R. Okay, so S, let's see, let me make sure I get this. S, it's going to go down minus T, so it's going to go that way. I better start, I'll start here, we'll see how we do. Okay, so S minus R minus T. We will start with S. Okay, so let's see. S is over 1, up 3. 1, 2, 3. There's S. Okay. Minus T. Oh, that's awful. I got to redo that one. Okay, so there, that's better. So that's S minus T. So minus T is down 2, left 2. So I'm sorry, the positive t plus t is down 2, left 2. So to go in the opposite direction, I'm going to go right 2, up 2. So I'll start here, right 2, up 2. So that is going to be minus t. And just to keep track, I'm going to say s. This is minus t. Okay. And then minus r. Well, r is 1, 2, 3, 4 units this way. So minus r is going to be 4 units to the left. Okay, so I'll start there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I have minus r. So s minus t minus r is going to be the start of our journey to the end of our journey, and is going to look like this. Bam, and I keep missing the endpoints, but I know you understand what's happening there. So this is the vector s minus t minus r, this red vector right here. Okay, next example, 4 points A, B, C, and D. Simplify the following vector equations. Okay, so let's think about this. AB minus CB is the same as AB plus BC. Okay, why did I do that? Well, then I get a nice nice equation where my middle letters match. I'm going from A to B to C, and that gives me vector AC. So I manipulate the equation so it works in my favor. What about this one? AC minus BC minus DB. Well, if I could get the C here, that would be great. Well, subtraction is just the opposite of addition. So this is going to equal AC, and negative BC is equivalent to positive CB. Okay. Well, now I have minus DB. I can't put that there if I'm actually going to be able to figure this out, because the two letters here would not match. It's like, you know, connecting the dots. I can only go to the common dot. So this is going to turn into plus BD. Well, A to C, C to B, and then B to D. So I started at A, I ended at D, and this is simply vector AD. So we can do it without pictures too. Isn't that nice? Okay. All right, so we are going to stop there, and we'll do one more video, and then we will be done. See you next time.